In this Wix website tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a strip from your Wix website. Now, it's important to know the difference between a strip and a section. A strip is an element that's sort of like a section that kind of can contain things like columns and imagery and text and other elements. So if we kind of hover over different areas of our site, you'll see it highlight the sections of your site. And then if we click into a section, we can start to click into the elements. And you can see here that this element block is a strip. And sometimes strips can be stretched across the screen. They can stretch across the page within the grid lines. You can stretch it across the entire screen with margins or without margins that go all the way the full width of your page. So this would look like a section if it were stretched out like this. Now, to delete a strip, make sure you have just this whole strip selected, not a single column in the strip. And then you can just press the delete key and it will delete that element. You can also, apparently Command Z didn't work there, so I'm going to stay on this page. Okay, so you can also right click on that strip and go to delete as well to delete out that strip. Now, it deleted the strip, but maybe it didn't delete the section, which means we need to resize the section and adjust the height afterward, because I also have this header element here. So if what you mean to do is delete a strip that maybe is an entire section, so if we didn't even have this header, we might not even be able to tell the difference between a strip and a section depending on how big this strip is inside of the section, right? So the strip is sort of like the whole section here now. If I delete the strip, it just leaves a big blank white space. What we needed to do is delete the section. It's easy to see your sections by clicking on the zoom out to 50%. And so now we can see these different sections here. And if we select a section, we can click the three dots and find delete again. And also you can use that delete key with a section selected. So when we delete a section, it will collapse the rest of the page and move it up. And so you see it collapsed everything up. I can even delete sections in between pages or in between sections. So I could select this one here and do the same thing and delete that section, and it's going to collapse the rest of the page and bring it up. And so this video is about deleting strips. However, I've done a video similar in the past, and I think a lot of people were confused that it left a big blank white space, because when you do click in here and you select the strip and you delete it, it does not move that section up. You know, it still retains the section because you just deleted an element out of a section. You didn't delete the section itself. But that is how you can delete a strip and, of course, sections here on Wix.